Well, Human Nature is a band that needs very little introduction.
None.
Really? Well, we won't do a little one, though. They're about to hit the road again on a national Motown tour.
It coincides with the new tour edition of their hit album, Dancing in the Street. Here is their latest single, the Stevie Wonder classic, Uptight.
I guess that's what you might say. I guess our folks brought her up that way. On the right side of the tracks, she was born and raised in a great big old house full of partners and mates. She said, no one is better than I know, I'm just an average guy. No football hero or smooth diamond. I got empty pockets, a poor man's son. I can't give her the things that a Monday can buy, but I never make my baby cry. It's alright what I can do, out of sight, because my heart is true. She says, baby, everything is alright. Uptight, out of sight, baby, everything is alright. Uptight, we outside, baby.
I'm exhausted. How are you guys? Does anyone actually sit down at your concerts?
Not during that song.
You couldn't.
Kochie was liking, what's this one?
Oh, that's a good one to add to it.
That's the seal.
The seal.
That's a beauty.
He picks up moves every time you come. And can I say, speaking of moves, the suits and very
silver suits.
really unliking, very smooth.
You can actually fry eggs on these.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Oh, they just slide like
straight
Teflon.
off. Oh, yeah.
It's beautiful.
Thank you very much.
How are you?
Oh, we're
are you
great.
good?
Yeah, we're really excited. This the tour's going to be the biggest we've ever done, so
Wow.
we're really excited.
And it's because it's arena-based, isn't it? It's the big
Yeah.
arenas, which is
Big arenas
fantastic.
in the round.
Yeah.
And
How's it
So
different?
they can see your moves from like...
everybody has a bad seat some of the time, so but a good seat most of the time.
Oh, it might not be a bad seat, really. I suppose it depends on, you know.
Mel.
Those moves, if you like, those are the front or the back.
Come on.
Are you guys having fun, though? The whole Motown experience has just been sensational.
It's been the highlight of our career so far. We're just having the most fun we've ever
Wow.
had. Yeah, it's great.
We actually just had a number 4 debut in New Zealand with Reach Out, so it's travelling around the
Fantastic.
globe now, so hopefully we can take it everywhere.
Wow.
Yeah.
Gee, the Kiwis have caught on to Motown. That's terrific. It's only about 30 years late, but anyhow, why not?
All right, and we're first. We're first, and where are you off to?
We open up in Perth on
Yep.
the 22nd of June.
Fantastic.
Tickets go on sale on Friday, and then, around the country, so...
We just added 2 more shows as well, one in Newcastle and one in Wollongong that go on sale next week.
Oh, terrific. So you're going to some of the big regional centres, which is great. I got to say, it would be a fun night out. How long are you on stage for?
About 2 hours the show's going to go for. So
Of all
it's,
Motown.
And then we need a drip at the end.
I was going to say, you must be so
yeah.
super fit because it's not just singing. You guys really do some cool moves.
We will
Must
be
be really
there.
fit.
I reckon it'd be a great night out.
Yeah.
It'd be great fun. No, I will be down in.
one.
Yeah.
He'll be doing this in the audience,
I'll
right?
be down in
Let's
the
leave it
mosh
at
pit. That'll be great. Now, the tour edition of Dancing in the Street is out now, and as we mentioned, Human Nature will embark on a national arena tour next month. How good would it be? Listen, 2 hours of music like that. Go to our website for all the dates. Tickets go on sale this Friday, but I reckon you're going to need to be quick.
Yep.
Enjoy it, guys.
Thank you very much.
Will. Good to see you.
Thanks
and
for
you'll be back
joining
a
us,
bit later.
everybody. Thanks so much. The sound was
Thank you, guys.
just spectacular.
And what have you got later? What are you singing later in the show?
We're doing an old Gladys Knight and the Pips song called Midnight Train to Georgia.
Oh, cracker. They don't make music like that anymore, do they?
No, indeed they don't.
Yeah, Papa Kosh. All right, we're back after the break with News Spot and Weather. You're watching Sunrise Across Australia.